In this video, we use the molar mass triangle as a simple tool to help us correctly represent the three different versions of the molar mass equation. Moles equals mass divided by molar mass. This is the molar mass equation, and it's the most important relationship in chemistry. And when we're using it, please never forget the importance of the units. The units for moles being the mole, the units for mass being grams, the units for molar mass being grams per mole. We've seen in a previous video that there are three different versions of this equation. We can have moles as the subject, moles equals mass divided by molar mass. We can make mass the subject, mass equals moles times molar mass. And we can have molar mass as the subject, molar mass equals mass divided by moles. These are three different versions of the same equation, and sometimes students get them confused and get some of the terms in the wrong places. And this is where the molar mass triangle can be used to help us out. This is a version of the molar mass triangle where we have a triangle divided into three regions with the label mass at the top of the triangle, the label moles at the bottom left of the triangle, and the label molar mass at the bottom right of the triangle. And it turns out that the position of each of these terms or labels in the triangle is important. For example, if you wanted to make moles the subject of the equation, we would take moles out of the triangle and put it to the side. Now we can see that with the remaining terms, mass and molar mass, that the term mass sits above molar mass in the triangle. And when we have moles as the subject of the equation, mass also sits above molar mass in the mathematical expression, giving us moles equals mass divided by molar mass. If now, however, you wanted to make mass the subject of the equation, we can see that the other two terms, moles and molar mass, sit at the same level within the triangle. They're both at the bottom. And in the mathematical expression, moles and molar mass also sit at the same level, giving us mass equals moles times molar mass as the second of the three ways to represent the molar mass equation. Lastly, if you want to make molar mass the subject of the equation, we can see that the term mass sits above the term moles in the triangle, and in the mathematical expression, mass also sits above moles, giving us the third version of the molar mass equation, molar mass equals mass divided by moles. So, the molar mass triangle, a really simple tool to help us get a correct representation for the three different versions of the molar mass equation.